Welcome to Fresh Food. The authentic Hyderabadi Biryani is dum cooked. With mixed veggies, potatoes, onions, and cauliflower, or any other vegetable of your liking. Heat oil with ghee in a round bottom vessel. Deep fry onions until crisp and golden brown. Fry all veggies one after the other in the same oil. Meanwhile, you can soak few strands of saffron in a cup of hot milk and set it aside for later use. Add whole spices such as bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, caraway seeds, cloves and cardamom. Saute until you get aroma. Add ginger garlic paste and saute till raw smell goes off. Add finely whipped curd and turmeric powder. As you add whipped curd, finely mix everything. Now add red chilli powder and all the veggies in the mixture. Add salt and garam masala powder. While the veggies are getting cooked, you can proceed with the next step. While the veg curry is being cooked, take a large vessel, bring water to boil, and add 1 teaspoon oil, salt, and all the whole spices, such as Shahzeera, also known as caraway seeds, cinnamon sticks, cardamom, cloves, and few slices of lemon. Cover it with the lid so that the water boils quickly. Now add washed, soaked and drained rice. Cook on a high flame till 75% is done. You must be able to get a bite of the rice. Drain excess water and set it aside. Kindly note, do not overcook the rice, else the rice gets mushy. Now it's time for layering. Layer half of the rice at the bottom of the vessel. You can even add green chilies and onion paste to the veg curry. This is optional. It just enhances the taste. Do not forget to mix the curry thoroughly. You can even remove the excess oil for later use in a separate bowl. Place veg curry mixture over the layer of rice and garnish it with crispy brown fried onions, mint leaves and coriander leaves. Finally, add a layer of rice and garnish it with crispy brown fried onions and green leaves. Pour lemon juice and saffron milk or saffron water. It's as per your wish. Make 5 holes and 1 in center is must. Traditional way of covering it is with a cotton sheet, or just seal it with aluminum foil. Place the heavy object on the lid so that no steam vents out. Cook on a high flame for 5 minutes and then move the vessel to hot tawa. Completely minimize the flame and keep for 30 minutes. Vegetable biryani will be dum cooked and ready to be served. You can mix up the entire rice and veggie mixture for even flavoring and spice. Vegetable biryani is ready to be served. Authentic Hyderabadi vegetable biryani is served with raita or dahi ki chutney.